Champion weighing in at 1,375 grams from Shenzhen, China, the DJI Phantom 4 Pro V2.0. In at 907 grams from Shenzhen, China, the DJI Mavic 2 Pro. DJI Mavic 2 Pro versus DJI Phantom 4 Pro V2.0. The epic battle, round 6, video test. That's next. The test everyone has been asking about is finally here. The DJI Mavic 2 Pro versus the DJI Phantom 4 Pro V2.0 Epic Battle video test. Now, what I did was they were both done in 1080p, and I tried to duplicate the flights as best as I could. Now, I've broken these down into, we're going to see two different tests here. One is going to be the actual video themselves, not side by side, but for instance, we'll start out with the DJI Mavic 2 Pro, and then it'll be followed up by the DJI Phantom 4 Pro V2.0. Now, there's two flights in here, and I'm going to condense those as much as possible. Then it's going to be followed up by a side-by-side comparison, and then we'll close things out. So let's go ahead and get started, and we're going to go ahead and roll the first clip, which is going to be the DJI Mavic 2 Pro, followed by the DJI Phantom 4 Pro V2.0. Okay, now let's go ahead and we're going to roll the side-by-side clips of the DJI Mavic 2 Pro versus the DJI Phantom 4 Pro V2.0. Well, I don't know about you, but it's a tie to me. There's no clear winner here. They were both fantastic. Question of the day. What did you think of the DJI Mavic 2 Pro versus the DJI Phantom 4 Pro V2.0 epic battle video test? Let me know in the comments section below. If you like the content from today's video, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and tell others about the channel. Also, be sure to check out my Facebook page where I do post daily updates regarding the drone and drone industry and anything DJI, Autel, or Parrot related. Also, be sure to check out my Twitter account where I do post daily updates and Instagram as well. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.